Okay, Mommy, here's what happens when you leave Jake in the crib quiet for too long. The diaper's right there. There's the turds. And there's the other turds. Do you see the turd with, oh, poopy mess. Look at the crib rail. Look at the mattress. No, don't touch the camera. Oh, poopy boy. All over the crib. Well, Auntie Gina, you're going to get a kick out of this. Look at it. Oh, there's one that stuck to the... Oh, gee. Oh, poopy. Straight to the tub, boy. Did you make a poopy? Where's your poopy? Jacob, did you make a mess? You made a mess, didn't you? Let's get you in the